Now let us see how sales is made in PG3. First, let us make a sales order. We are trying to sell a product to a party. So we are sending him a sales order. Click here, new sales order. Select the customer ID from here. Other details will come automatically. Give the date here. This is the sales order number. You will have to type it here. Here, ship via either courier, hand deliver, customer pickup, UPS ground. You will have to select it here. I have selected courier. Then select the quantity 25. Item, click here. Select the item from here. Let us create a new item. So in order to create new item, go to new. Give the item ID. Click OK. Give the name. Paragon couple. Click save. After clicking save, you close it. Now we have created a new item. Select it from here. Paragon couple. A message comes which says quantity on hand 0, quantity available 0. So click OK. Give the unit price here. Say 200. Amount will come automatically. If sales tax is there, you will have to give it here. And our total is 5,000 plus 300 sales tax. So 5,300. Our credit limit is 50,000 rupees. Select save. Now we have saved it. If we want, we can create new purchase, new sales order. Quantity select 10. Item from here, select anyone. Drywall. Unit price came automatically since we have given it at the time of setup. Amount. Here let us keep a freight. Say 100 rupee. That is 47. Freight 10 rupee. Now it sales order total increased to 57. Save. It says that. Now click here. Select a customer. Now click here and select any customer and save it. Close it. This is the way we have created sales order. Now let us edit our sales order. If we want to edit our sales order, we have to go here. Click here. We have created two sales order, part is same, customer ID. Now let us select the first one. Let us change 300 into 400 sales tax and change sales order number 1000. Now save it. Close it. We can see here the sales order number changed. Close it. If you want to print our sales order, you can click here. we have created a sales order. Now go to the list, go to customer and go to sales order. See, these are all the sales order which we have created. Let us select one. It is there. Now let us go to make one sales invoice. After we are sending sales order, if the customer approves that sales order and decides to purchase from us, and once we have delivered the goods to them, we have to send them a sales invoice so that they will make payment. Let us see how to make a sales invoice. For that, create new sales invoice. Select the customer ID and rate. Now address will come automatically since we have entered it at the time of creating customer ID. Date is given here. Invoice number, type 1. Ship via. Now select ship via courier or any other mode. Hand deliver. Now apply to sales order number. Here you have in front of you two sales order. First one is 1000, second one 10343. Both of these sales order we have just created. Select the first one, 1000. See, the data will come automatically. The name of the item, the description, unit price, everything will come automatically. If we want to make any changes, we can make it from here. Say we are adding freight 50. Now let us see how purchasing is made in PG3. For that, we have to select the vendor and purchase tab here. First, let us make one purchase order. For that, go to new purchase order. It is almost similar to a sales order. Here, instead of customer ID, you will have to select vendor ID. Select one from the list. We will select first one, Abney. All other data will be shown automatically here. Date, you will have to give here. Quantity, let us put 20. Item, you will have to select the item from here. Cabinets, unit price, give it 2000. What amount will come automatically? 40,000 rupees. This is the purchase order total. Now we will have to save it from here. Close it. We have made a purchase order. Let us go to either edit or view the purchase order which we have made recently. Click here. This is the one we have made now. Double click. You can make any changes, date, amount, etc. Close it here. Close this one. If you want to print it, you can go here. Now we have made a purchase order. We have now we are making the purchase. At the time of making the purchase, click enter bill, new bill. Here select the vendor, Abney. Address and other data will come automatically. Select the, here we have two options. First one, apply to purchase. This is for those purchase where purchase order is not pending. Now you can go to now you can go to enter bill to enter the purchase. Click here. Select the vendor ID. And give the quantity. Select the item. give the unit price, amount will come automatically. This is the total, invoice total. Save it. We have to enter an invoice number here. We have given that. Now save it. Close it. We have entered the bill. Now we have to make the payment. Let us make the payment. Pay bill. Select the vendor. You can either select vendor or customer from here. Select the vendor. This is our customer. This is our vendor. There are two invoices. Which one we will make? Let us make the first one. Click here under pay. Then save it. Now if you again select that vendor, you can see that is maximize that one. In fact, there were three more. Let us take the first two. Save it. Now let us select the vendor again and see. Now only one is pending. What happened to the two? Both we are paid. That is why both are removed from the line. Let us close this one. And go to view and edit paid bill. These are all the bill which we have paid. Abney. This one and this one we have paid recently. If you double click here, you can see the payment window. Both are ticked here. Close it. Suppose we are now how much we have purchased. Let us go to enter bill and view and edit. Abney paid in full. This we have paid in full. Now the amount is 0. Payable amount is 0. Abney here also we have paid in full. Abney only one is left. One invoice is left here unpaid. Message is there unpaid. Now double click to view it. Message is there unpaid. What is the quantity? What is the unit price? 2000. What is the quantity? 25. 25 is the quantity which we have purchased. 25 cabinet we have purchased. Let us close it. Now we will go to credit and return. In order to do the purchase return, we have purchased 25 quantity. 5 quantity we want to return. Let us do how to do that. Go to credit and return. New vendor credit memo. Here select the vendor ID. Abney. Here there is one invoice 01. Select that one. What is the quantity? 25. Here let us click on apply to purchases. Then quantity 5. 25 quantity is there. We are returning 5 quantity. Cabinet. Unit price. Give the unit price. Then save it. One credit memo number we will have to enter here and save it. That number is That number is already assigned. So let us give another number, then save it. Close it. Let us go to credit and return. View and edit vendor credit memo. See, this is one. 10,000 rupee worth item we are returning. 101, credit number 101. Now let us go to pay bill. We are going to pay the remaining one bill. Pay bill. Now select the Abni vendor item. What is the amount here? 50,000. You can see that was the invoice amount, but we have returned 10,000. So minus 10,000 is given here. We click both. Let us see. Maximize that one. 40,000. You see, vendor ID Abni. The amount. How much amount we are paying? Not 50,000. We are paying only 40,000 because there is a 10,000. We are detecting the 10,000 of goods which we have returned, the purchase return, that we are deducting from 50,000. So 50,000 minus 10,000, 40,000 we are paying. Here we can save it. Ensure that both are ticked. And we will have to save it here. Now we will have to close it.